AI. That's all the talk nowadays in 2024. Does AI matter? Is AI actually important? And is AI important for us gamers? Like, I always hear people say like, oh, I don't care about these NPUs. I don't care about AI. Just give me a chip that plays games. Just give me a chip that gives me performance without all the hassle. No one cares about AI. You can't use AI for anything. This is what I hear. This is not my thoughts. That's what I hear in my comment section. That's what I hear online. Me personally, guys, I like AI. Look at this. Big brain computer chip. This is probably what boomers think AI is. We're just kind of mixing human brain and wires and whatnot. But this is far from what AI actually is. Elon Musk recently just came out with these robots and they're doing pretty impressive stuff for being AI. Now, there is some like allegations coming out that they're semi-operated by like people, but still, you have to admit like this could be the future, guys. Like, we're just gonna have a robot that makes us chicken nuggies and cleans all of our dishes for us so we can just play Black Myth Wukong all day or whatever game you want, you know, Roblox. But hey, they're even serving you drinks. Maybe a bartender will be a job of the past, you know? And not only that, but AI can do all kinds of things. If I go to ChatGPT here, I can literally just say like, create code for a video game that is identical to Pac-Man in function. And it will do something. Like, look how detailed this all is, guys. And there you have it. I have the code for my Pac-Man clone. Now, this may not work, but I guarantee you guys, this gets you 80% of the way there. I had to do some coding for my Docker installations and have to learn a little bit of C++, and ChatGPT did most of the work for me. It does 80-90% of the work. I'm just doing the little patch-ins, the last 10%. And guys, I think AI is super useful. This is just one of the uses you could use AI for. You can also use AI for really goofy things. If we head over to Twitter or X or whatever, you guys, hey, go ahead and follow me on X because it's kind of bad right now. I have 3 verified followers here, and the rest are just digital thoughts that come after me in my DMs all the time. Now, there are a couple of you guys that are unverified that, you know, I've seen you in the chat, but yeah, go follow me on X so you can get updates and just kind of see what I'm thinking. But yeah, if we go over here on X, and if you have the paid version, only $7 a month, you can generate images. So let me say I want an image of a puppy dog on top of a mountain in a monk costume. And let's see what it gives us. Yeah. Just within seconds, we're getting these high quality images off of Rock. And that's AI, right? Like, you may be saying like, oh, it's stealing this artwork from somebody else. I don't see it. Like, it's generating things based off past artwork, true. But don't we all do that? And it's just doing it so efficiently. I think AI is going to take so many jobs. AI is going to replace so many things. And it's not a bad thing. It's a great thing. It's a new industrial revolution. And it'll actually create more jobs too when it takes jobs. For us gamers though, AI hits hard and it comes, you know, close to home because we have things like DLSS. In fact, we kind of had AI before AI was cool, if you think about it. We had all of our DLSS and all that. Now, Google's been using AI for tracking and targeting us for a while, but hey, we had AI in video gaming for a few years now. And if you look here, we have the same settings basically, but one has DLSS 3 with RT on, and yeah, you're getting pretty much triple the frame rate, over triple the frame rate there. Seeing here, one side even has RTX off and one has RTX on, and it's still getting over triple the frame rate, which is just crazy. AI is just interpolating all these frames, and sure, you may not like that. You may say, I'm never going to use DLSS 3, but I have to say, guys, like, AI is doing some magical work here. And I've seen some instances where instead of rendering the game, like it'll render the game in a low base resolution and then use an AI filter over the game to do kind of like a standard, what is it called? A stable diffusion layer over the game. So all you're seeing is stable diffusion. So you could be rendering the game at like 480p and it could be looking horrible. And then you do a stable resolution, stable diffusion image at like 1080p and it's totally different environment. Really, really cool stuff that's going on with AI. Yeah, AI can do all these things, guys. And I don't know why so much of us are trying to fight it. Like, AI is the future. They're going to be using AI for things we never even thought possible for. Me personally, I love AI, I love technology, and I love us advancing Moore's Law with this new innovative approach. If you're wondering why I'm dressed like how I am, it's because, you know, I had a presentation at uni today, and I wanted to get a video out and talk about this subject. And hey, I wanted to look fresh for you guys out here. But this is just my short thoughts on AI. I think, you know, we see AI with Elon Musk with these robots. They're going to be giving us chicken nuggies soon while we can just stay in pajamas all day. Hey, that's a future I'm looking forward to. I can be a YouTuber and they can do all my work for me. ChatGPT, which can do its large language model, which these robots will be running off ChatGPT or something similar. And this can write code, do all sorts of things, just automates our whole life for us, guys. Think about in Minecraft when you have a auto sorting system, auto farms. Yeah, that's what this is. It's an automated system and you can sit back and relax, right? And then we also have AI in video games absolutely boosting our frame rates without huge video, visual degradation. Say what you will about frame gen, say what you will about DLSS, but it's pretty remarkable that we can render 1 pixel and output 7 pixels and it still look almost as good, guys. It's pretty remarkable. I think AMD is going to have to come out with something soon. I know they did with the PlayStation, so it's probably not too far away, but AI-based upscaling is the future. AI-based house assistants and robots is the future. And AI large language models is the future, guys. And hey, maybe the future will include us just putting our brain inside a chip and living in the Matrix forever. Who knows? But this is my thoughts on AI. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do we need NPUs? Do we need specialized AI units to accelerate our life or accelerate the processes in our life so we don't have to do anything and be couch potatoes all day? Or are we going to use AI to be more productive? Are we going to use AI to get more things done and just throw out the monotony in our lives that no one cares to do?
AI wrote this song so you can hear. It's circuit screech, they have one thing to say. Subscribe to Silicon State and don't forget to hit the bell. Also join the channel